My name is Mackenzie Hubbard, and this is my science project. It is called Amazing Hamsters, Female versus Male. This is the female, whose name is Oreo, and this is the male, whose name is Harry. My question is, does a male or female hamster have a better memory? My purpose is that I want to learn which gender has a better memory. I think this is interesting, and letting animals join in is half the fun. My hypothesis is I think the female hamster will get through first because I think girls have a better memory. My independent variable is the gender of hamster. My dependent variable is the time it took for the hamsters to get through the maze, each trial. My controlled variables are the maze, the food at the end of the maze, the temperature of the environment, which was 68 degrees, and the time of day, which was day. For this experiment, you will need a boy and girl hamster, a maze, hamster food, to get them motivated to go through, so you would put it at the end, a stopwatch, paper and pencil, and a video recorder. One of Oreo's trials are, this is time-elapsed, which means it makes it go through a lot faster than it really is. Because it really took the hamsters a pretty long time to get through, and the real times will be shown. Here's Harry's time doing it. He went back to the beginning. Did you actually see that? Although you may not have seen it, he just jumped over a wall. My data is, which is the real time, there's 5 trials, a girl and a boy. So the girl's worst time, and the boys as well, was 121 seconds on their second trial. The girl's best time was 17 seconds on her 4th trial, and Harry's best time was 15 seconds on his 3rd trial. Here is my data chart. It is a line graph. The girl has pink and the boy has blue. And these are the number of trials, and these is the time in seconds. My results are, I timed how long it took for the male and female hamster to go through the maze. The female's range of times were from 17 to 121 seconds. The male's range was from 15 to 120 seconds, as shown on the graph. The female's average time was 74 seconds, and the male's average time was 45 seconds. My conclusion is my results proved my hypothesis wrong. I learned that the male got through the maze quicker on average. One unexpected thing that happened during the experiment was that the boy jumped over the wall at the same location to reach the end of the maze each time, as was shown in the video, but you probably didn't catch that. This might have been why he got out faster. I could further experiment this by doing more trials with multiple male and female hamsters. I could also try the experiment without food at the end of the maze. Goodbye! Thank you!